Hello everyone. Our today's topic is Python string. Python strings are surrounded by double or single quote. So we can write any string literals inside double or single quotes. For example, I want to write inside first my double quotes. This is my string, and you can see this is my string is printed as right now as double quotes. If I want to write the same string with inside a single quote, so this is same, no change. This is my string. So these two are the same. And to assign a variable to my string, we can simply write the variable name, and after that I will assign a string to my variable. This is my string. Yeah. And to print a variable, to print a string, we use print function, and inside print we write our string. Okay. So my string is printed, and we can use the variable to print my string also. For example, I have created a string variable s with the value this is my string. So I want to print this is my string, so I will use this variable inside my print function. So you can see this is my string. Yeah, we can write codes inside codes in Python string. For example, I want to write a double quotes, and inside double quotes a single quote will be there. This is my strings name. So this is my a single quote inside my double quotes, and the same thing I can do inside single quotes, and inside single quotes I will write my double quotes. This is my string. Okay, so you can see we can write the quotes inside quotes, but take care of one thing: the quote you declared outside, you cannot declare this inside s, because if you do this, so this will be this, what it will do, it will give me error, because this string ends here and this is another string from there, and this is invalid syntax, and syntax this will give in a syntax error for my code. And for now this will work properly, and if I do this here also, this will give me an error, the same error, undetermined string literals. If I do same thing here, I want to colon, and here I will semicolon. For now this will print my string, this string. So this is the quotes inside quotes. And to write a multi-line string, we can use triple double quotes or triple double single quotes. For example, I want to assign a variable, and now I will write a multi-line strings. This is my first string. This is my second. This is my third. And yeah, I will close this with it. And I want to print the string. So you can see the multi-line string has been printed. And one more thing, as I end a line here, so in the outcome the same word will end the line. Okay, so we can also use my single quotes to declare a multi-line string, single triple quotes. For example, this is my string 1, this is my string 2, and I will print D as well. So you can see this is my string 1, this is my string, and strings are array in Python, because string in Python are array of Unicode characters. Because Python does not have a character data type, a single character in simplify with a length of 1. Simplify a string of length of 1. Okay. Square brackets can be used to access elements of to string. For example, I want to create a string here. I am Kyrie Jonix. Okay. So So I can use our square bracket to access my uh, data from here. For example, I want to access this I. So what I will do, I will write simply string, variable name over string, and square brackets, and I will write index. In the string, the index is start from 0. So string is not defined. Oh, okay, I didn't run this code. So right now I will do this. So this is printed on my screen. So yeah, I can also use this to print properly. So you can see I has been printed in the screen. Okay, I can also print this A. This will be my first, second space, and third character, and the index will be my 2 because string start with 0 index, my 2, and this will give me A. Okay, so this is about my strings. The strings are array, and if I want to character data type, and a single character is simply strings with one variable because Python doesn't have a string data type. Okay, so looping through a string, I can use a for loop. For example, I want to create my string A equal to I am Kyrionics. Yeah, I want to print all the characters letters of the string. So what I will do, I will write for x in A, print x. Yeah, you can see this will give all the letters of my string. So this is how we can loop through a string. And to check the length of my string, we can use the length function. So I'm doing this for same string, and yeah, I want to check the length of my string. So what I will do, I will simply print length of my string A. You can see 14 is the length of my string. Here you can count also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. You can't ignore these white spaces. Okay, this is how we can get our string length. And to check the string, for example, I want to check something is present in my string or not. We simply do this. So I'm taking the same string A. To check a string, what I will do, I will simply write print a chirogenics in A. If chirogenics is present in my string A, so it will give me true, otherwise it will give me false. Okay, so it is giving true, it means chirogenics is present in my string A. And we can use if also. If chirogenics in A, so what I will do, I will print chirogenics is present in A. Okay, chirogenics is present in A because chirogenics is present in. If the my word is not in a string, so what I will do, I will simply I'm taking the same string here, print. For this time I'm taking arena in A, so this is giving me false because arena is not present in my character. Yeah, if I want to true this is in not in, we can use not in here also. So this time it will give me true because arena is not present in my string. Yeah, here also can use if string 2, sorry, if keyword, if condition to check the arena is present or not. If arena not in A, print arena is not present in A. To run this, and I can get I'll get arena is not present in A. So this is how we can check the our string is present in our original string or not. So this is all for the video. If you learn something new, so please make a like, hit the subscribe button. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.